Hello everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have several tips, rather 5 tips or habits to help you keep a clean and tidy home and get very fresh. And I have formed these habits over the years, and today I'm going to share some of them with you. As we all know, make your bed. It's the first thing we can do since it is the first place that we see when we awaken in the morning. It definitely sets a tone for your day. Try this simple task for at least 7 days straight, and it's sure to become a habit. It definitely makes a difference as to how your day will progress. And then in the evening, you have this beautiful room to come home to and look at before you dive right into that nice plush bed. My second tip is to keeping those kitchen countertops clean. The kitchen is another spot where your home will feel fresher, and when it is clean and tidy, it can be void of all the clutter. The surfaces of the countertops are very sizable, or rather expansive with its space, so they can collect many things. So the best way to do that is put things away quickly as we're using them, such as cleaning while we're cooking, and just decluttering those countertops again after we're done with our meals, putting everything away, and then giving them a wipe down. Now, it can be really quick, as I said, and it definitely makes a huge impact on the overall appearance and definitely keeps your home smelling nice and fresh. Now, the next tip here is everything has a home or place that it should go. Items should be kept close proximity to where they will be used. If you take the time out, which usually takes seconds to put them away in their home, you'll find it very gratifying. You want it, especially if you're in a pinch for time. So, fluff those pillows once you get done sitting on that sofa. And of course, other items that you may be using around the house, when you're done with them, again, a quick couple of seconds to grab it up, place it in its home, such as you see here, putting it in its boxes and taking it right back to its rightful place, putting it away, and again, it only takes a few quick seconds. Now, this next tip here is regarding your laundry. Having a laundry schedule helps you maintain and control of your laundry throughout the week. Having a specific laundry day, and it also keeps your space void of odors as well, doing it in a timely manner. So gather up that laundry on that weekly schedule, wash it up, fold it up, and put it away. Now, the next tip here is those floors. Keeping those floors clean and void of clutter, toys, pillows, etc. throughout the day. And it'll keep you from maybe perhaps tripping over something and hurting yourself. Also, just giving them a quick little mop down, spritzing whatever it is that you use for cleaners across those floors, and using that dust mop to clean it right up. Now, the next tip here is doing the dishes. Yes, this is one that, well, I'm going to say it's not one of my favorites, but it definitely helps with the overall appearance as well as keeping your home tidy. Doing the dishes late at night, maybe perhaps before you go to bed, or you're cooking, washing those pots and pans, and right after, go ahead and put them all in maybe the dishwasher, getting them washed up before you hit the sack, putting them away, keeping your home nice, fresh, and tidy. I hope you've enjoyed these quick tips. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all for the next one.